Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Deleting your Epic Games account is a permanent decision, but it's a straightforward process to navigate. This updated guide gives you the most current steps for 2025, ensuring everything is accurate and up to date. Perhaps you are looking for better online privacy, wish to declutter your digital life, or simply want to step away from gaming altogether. Whatever your reason, we will walk you through each necessary step, making the journey simple and clear for you. Before you proceed, understand that deleting your Epic Games account is an irreversible action. All your games, any remaining V-Bucks, and your entire friends list will be permanently removed. There is no way to recover these once the deletion is complete, so be absolutely certain. It is also wise to log out of all connected platforms, like PlayStation or Xbox, that are linked to your Epic account. This helps prevent future complications during the process. To start the deletion process, first log into your Epic Games account directly on their official website. Once logged in, click on your profile name, usually located in the top right corner, to access the drop-down menu. From there, select Account Settings to reach your account management page. Scroll down towards the bottom of this page until you find the option labeled Delete Account or Request Account Deletion. This is your starting point for formally closing the account. After initiating the request, Epic Games prioritizes your security. They will send a unique verification code directly to the email address registered with your account. You will need to retrieve this 6-digit code and enter it back into the designated field on the Epic Games website. This crucial step confirms your identity and ensures that you are indeed the one requesting the account deletion. Shortly after, you will receive another email detailing the upcoming steps and expected timeline. Once you have confirmed your request, your Epic Games account enters a 14-day deactivation period. It is absolutely crucial that you avoid logging into the account during these 2 weeks. Logging in at any point will automatically cancel your deletion request, and you would need to start the entire process over again. After the 14 days have passed without any login activity, your Epic Games account will be permanently deleted, along with all associated data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.